Hello friends, today's subject is analog and digital circuit. This is lecture number 2, Introduction to Op-Amp. First of all, objectives. To know the differential amplifier in open loop mode, to know the inverting amplifier in the open loop mode, to know the non-inverting amplifier in the open loop mode. Content. What is open loop configuration in Op-Amp? The next, differential amplifier in Op-Amp, inverting amplifier in Op-Amp, non-inverting amplifier in Op-Amp. These are three different amplifier configuration: differential amplifier, inverting amplifier, and non-inverting amplifier. The next, first, open loop. This diagram shows that the open loop configuration. It having two inputs, non-inverting input and inverting input, and one output VO. Okay. Non-inverting input having source V1 and inverting input having source V2. Okay. Open loop operation is that there is absolutely no feedback present from the output. That means no part of output gets connected to input. Okay. यहाँ पे आप क्या कह सकते हैं, आउटपुट का कोई भी पार्ट और फीडबैक आपके इनपुट के साथ कनेक्ट नहीं होता है. ओके, इसे कहते हैं, क्या कहते हैं, ओपन लूप कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. देन टेल मी व्हाट इज मीन बाय ओपन लूप कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. Okay, right. Okay. Open loop configuration is nothing but there is no feedback present between the input and output terminals. Okay. Next. First is differential amplifier in open loop mode. Okay. This circuit diagram shows the open loop mode having differential amplifier, which having two inputs, V1 and V2. These are two inputs. V1 having R1 resistors and source V in 1, and similarly V2 having R in 2 resistor and source V in 2. Okay, these are inputs are connected to amplifier, and output में equation क्या है, AD is equal to V in minus V in 2. Okay, what is meant by differential amplifier? Okay, right. Differential amplifier is nothing but the difference between the two inputs, which are V1 and V2. Okay, we will see one by one equation of differential amplifier. First of all, VD is equal to V1 minus V2. VD is nothing but the difference between the two inputs, difference between the two voltages. Okay, V1 is equal to V in 1 and V2 is equal to V in 2. It means source V in 1 is connected to V1 and source V in 2 is connected to V2. That means V1 is equal to V in 1 and V2 is equal to V in 2. We can put this value on VD. Okay, VD is equal to V in 1 minus V in 2. Okay. Similarly, V out equation क्या होता है, V out is equal to AD into VD. Okay, is equal to AD into V in 1 minus V in 2. AD क्या होता है, आपका एम्पलीफायर जो होता है एम्पलीफिकेशन करने के लिए एम्पलीफायर होता है. ओके, इसमें क्या है, आउटपुट आपका VO is equal to amplified value of difference between these two inputs. AD means amplified value. Okay, we have one short animation video on differential amplifier. Differential amplifier having one circuit having two inputs, inverting input, non-inverting input, and inverting input, and having one output. यहाँ पे आपको दिख सकता है एक सोर्स कनेक्टेड है V in 1 जिसको नॉन इन्वर्टिंग इनपुट को, और दूसरा सोर्स V in 2 कनेक्टेड है इन्वर्टिंग टर्मिनल को. ओके, and also there are two resistors, R in 1 and R in 2. Okay, what is the voltage difference? VD is equal to V in 1 minus V in 2, means V1 minus V2, difference between the two input voltages. Okay, these inputs are connected to the op-amp. Okay, voltage difference between two inputs, that's why it is called as differential amplifier. Voltage between two inputs. V out is equal to A into VD. A is amplified value of difference between two inputs. VD क्या है आपका V in 1 minus V in 2. Okay. Similarly, we can say that V1 is equal to V in 1, V2 is equal to V in 2. Okay. This is non-inverting input. Similarly, V2 is equal to V in 2. Okay. Then we can put the value of these two. VD is equal to V1 minus V2. Okay. V out का इक्वेशन क्या होगा? V out is equal to A into V1 minus V2 is equal to A V in 1 minus V in 2. Okay. In this way, differential amplifier is nothing but the difference between the two voltages. That's why it is called as differential amplifier. Okay. This is amplified value of difference between two inputs. Okay. This is the short video on differential amplifier. Okay. Let's go next. Inverting amplifier in open loop mode. This circuit diagram shows that the inverting amplifier of open loop mode, which having two inputs V1 and V2 and output is VO. Okay. Here V1 is connected to the ground and V2 having R in resistor and source V in. Okay. We can say that V1 is equal to 0. Okay. And V2 is equal to V in. Okay. Then next, what is the difference between the two inputs? VD is equal to की इक्वेशन क्या होता है? VD is equal to V1 minus V2 is equal to V1 की वैल्यू क्या है आपकी 0. 0 minus V2 is equal to 0 minus V in. That means VD is equal to minus V in. Then output equation क्या होगा आपका? Output voltage is nothing but the VO is equal to AD into VD is equal to AD into VD क्या है आपका minus VN. That means negative side indicates that the inverting of input signal. Okay. जो भी आपका इनपुट सिग्नल होगा वो सिग्नल को एम्पलीफाई होकर क्या होगा आपका इन्वर्जन प्रोपोर्शन में होगा. ओके. टेल मी व्हाट इज मीन बाय इन्वर्टिंग एम्पलीफायर. Okay, right. Okay. In inverting amplifier there is a input signal goes to converted into inversion proportion. Okay. इक्वेशन क्या होगा आपका आउटपुट का VO is equal to minus AD into V in. Okay. Then next, non-inverting amplifier in open loop. Okay. This circuit diagram shows that non-inverting terminal. Okay. This having two inputs V in and V in. Okay. V1 and V2. Okay. This is two terminals. Okay. Non-inverting terminal having V in and inverting terminal negative having resistor RG and it is connected to the ground supply. Then output में क्या है V out. We can say that inverting terminal V2 is equal to non-inverting terminal क्या है वैल्यू इसकी 0. Okay. इन्वर्टिंग टर्मिनल की वैल्यू क्या है 0. V2 is equal to 0 and नॉन इन्वर्टेड टर्मिनल क्या है पॉजिटिव साइन का V1 is equal to V in. Okay. What is the difference between the voltages? We can denote it as VD. VD is equal to क्या है V1 minus V2. V1 की वैल्यू क्या है आपके पास V in and V2 की वैल्यू 0. Okay. That's VD is equal to V in. Okay. That means we can say that V out is equal to AD into V in. Okay. यहाँ पर आपको दिखाई दे सकता है कि नॉन इन्वर्टिंग टर्मिनल में जो भी आपका इनपुट होगा वही आपको आउटपुट में मिलेगा मगर उसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी एम्पलीफाइड होगी. यहाँ पे आपको इक्वेशन दिखाएगा. In this equation, VO is equal to AD into V in. It means that VO is equal to V in, but here is the value AD. AD means amplified value of input signal. Okay, this means that non-inverting amplifier in open loop mode having input value is amplified with the help of operational amplifier. Okay, tell me that what is meant by non-inverting amplifier. Okay, right. In non-inverting amplifier, there is a input value goes to amplified with the desired value and we get the desired output. Okay. Output equation क्या है VO is equal to AD into V in. Then next, summary. After learning this topic, students will be able to understand what is open loop configuration in op amp, what is differential amplifier in op amp, what is inverting amplifier in op amp, what is non-inverting amplifier in op amp. All these are questions we can cover in this presentation. Okay, then question bank. These are questions which may ask in exam. What is open loop? Explain the differential amplifier in open loop mode. Explain inverting amplifier in open loop mode. Explain non-inverting amplifier in open loop mode, and draw the comparison diagram of all these configuration. That is that one: differential, non-inverting, and inverting amplifier. Okay. Thank you.